surface with a damp sponge, water only. Dilute the deep cleaner with water, 5% deep cleaner to 95% water. Wipe in the diluted Rubio Monocoat deep cleaner evenly on the surface by using a sponge. Scrub the area with a nylon scrubbing brush or Rubio Monocoat microfiber pad in the lengthwise direction of the wood. Do this until the surface is clean and spot-free. For stubborn stains, repeat the treatment or use one of our stain removers. Remove the dissolved dirt by using a cloth and clean water. Allow the surface to dry well. Take the Oil Plus 2C set and stir the A component well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of A component into a mixing container and carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B. Stir well. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Apply a small quantity of Oil Plus 2C with a brush and spread out with a beige or red scrubby pad. Let it absorb for a few minutes and wipe away all excess oil with a white scrubby pad. Finish off with a cloth within maximum 30 minutes. The surface should feel non-sticky. Repeat until you have done the whole surface. Let the surface dry for 12 to 24 hours in a well-ventilated room. Wait at least 5 days to clean with water and universal soap for the first time. Cloths and other tools which are saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Keep the surface clean with our Rubio Monocoat Surface Care. For stubborn stains, use one of our specific stain removers, lime spot, grease, or tannin remover. For a quick refresh of your piece of furniture, use our Refresh Eco.